Alright guys, so in this video we're going to talk about the components of the GCloud SDK. And it comes pre-installed, like when you do the install for the very first time, it installs four things: the GCloud command, BigQuery command line tool, libraries of course, and the cloud storage command line tool. And now what we're going to do is we're going to install one of these components or two of these components and remove them. Okay, right now please don't worry about what these components are doing, because the GCloud SDK section is quite big. So the only thing we're focused on here is there are three components installed. We're going to install two more and then get rid of one and just see the output. That's all. So don't get stressed out over it, and I will fast forward when I can, because these commands, Google Cloud tries to keep their footprint very small, and because of that they give you limited number of options when you begin. But the flip side of that is you have to install all those things, and they take a lot of time, and that can be quite frustrating. But then again, you can automate these things by using shell script, so it kind of balances things out. By the way, also don't worry about that older versions of Google Cloud Platform tools, but this is kind of what I was telling you guys, like go to their website to find the latest instructions, because they keep changing things so many times. Like the current SDK version is 274.0.1. Anyway, so kubectl is done. Now we're doing pub sub emulator, and that's done. So let's see what our component list looks like. And there we go. So there are 5 things installed now. There were only 3 before. So now we're going to uninstall just the pub sub emulator. Don't worry about what these things do at this moment. We're just learning the commands. So I started working on another window, but I'm going to blur that out so you guys can just see what's going on here, and then I'm going to fast forward through this, and basically at the end it's just going to show uninstall done. Alright, so this is not a big deal. Next section is a little bit important. Alright guys, see you in the next section then. Thanks.